Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to highlight a PDF document step by step. First, open your PDF document using any PDF reader like Adobe Acrobat Reader or your browser. Once the file opens, look for the toolbar at the top of the screen. Now click on the Highlight tool. In most PDF apps, it looks like a marker or pen icon. After selecting it, your cursor will be ready to highlight text. Next, click and drag your mouse over the text you want to highlight. As you drag, the selected text will be highlighted instantly. You can highlight important notes, headings, or key points this way. If you want, you can also change the highlight color. Just right-click the highlighted text and choose a different color like yellow, green, or blue. And that's it. Now you know how to highlight a PDF document easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.